The external and internal mutilated red gears shown here make the blue pinion change its direction. Both red gears, external and internal, are bolted onto a yellow disc, which rotates with a uniform speed in one direction. During this uniform rotation, the external and the internal gears engage with blue pinion alternately. When the blue gear engages with outer mutilated gear, it rotates faster in one direction. When this engagement ends, the blue gear engages with internal mutilated gear, and it begins to rotate in slower speed in the opposite direction. Thank you for watching our videos. We encourage you to subscribe our channel and rate our videos.